we are privileged to have with us our chief guest, Sri Shakti Sinhaji, IAS, Chief Secretary, Andaman Nicobar Administration. On behalf of St. Mary's Charitable and Educational Society and my own behalf, I warmly welcome you, sir, to the inauguration ceremony of Phase 2nd of St. Mary's School, Port Blair. May I take this opportunity to extend a hearty welcome to Honorable Sri Vishnu Padarai ji, Member of Parliament, Andaman and Nicobar. We are grateful to you, sir, for sparing your valuable time to grace this occasion. I warmly welcome Ms. Archana Arora, IAS, Principal Secretary of Education, Andaman and Nicobar Administration. Your presence makes this school community to glow with the warmth. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome His Excellency Most Reverend Bishop Alex Dias, Bishop of Port Blair Diocese, to this function. Your Excellency, your grateful presence has indeed privileges. Welcome. I extend a warm welcome to Srimati Tamilaraji, Chairperson, Jilla Parishad, Port Blair. Welcome. I extend a warm welcome to Dr. R. Devadas, Director of Education, Andaman Nicobar Administration. Welcome. I also extend a hearty welcome to all the PRI members, senior officers of the administration, Reverend Fathers, Sisters, other distinguished guests, media persons representing both print and electronic media, members of St. Mary's Cathedral, parents, teachers, my beloved students of St. Mary's School, and all who are present here. With this welcoming, may I take this opportunity to put some light on the inception and development of St. Mary's School, Port Blair here. The seeds of St. Mary's School was sown in 1993 with the nursery school in the premises of St. Mary's Church at Lillipur by Reverend Father V.C. Jose, Vicar of the church. In 1996, the school was shifted in the premises of St. Mary's Orthodox Cathedral, Mohanpura, under the supervision of Reverend Father Jacob, Vicar of St. Mary's Cathedral. Later, various vicars of the cathedral grouped this institution utilizing their vision and expertise. With the recognition of the school by Andaman Nicobar Administration, it groomed as a full-fledged elementary school.